Have you ever heard someone say, I need to look up the answer? And you thought, look up? Why not just find? This is the monster of English fluency, phrasal verbs. Just joking. These are actually tricky. They are simple words. They take a simple verb like put or get and add a small word like up, out, in to completely change the meaning. Yes, they are two words together, but they change the meaning completely. And the truth is, native speakers uses these phrasal verbs constantly. If you avoid them, your English will sound robotic. But don't worry, you don't need the 1000 phrasal verbs. You just need 50 common phrasal verbs, which I'm going to tell you right now. These are the top 50 most common phrasal verbs you need to master to sound fluent and natural in English. I have put them into 5 groups. I'll give you the meaning and a simple example for each one of them. And stay until the end for a fluency hack. You don't just, understand or learn these phrasal verbs. You need to use them in your everyday conversation. I have a simple trick for that. It's the only way to stop translating and start using these phrasal verbs naturally. Let's make your English smooth. Part 1. The daily routine group. Let's start with the words you use every day in your everyday routine. This can help you talk about your everyday routine. Wake up means stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Get up. Leave your bed. I get up right after my alarm. Put on. To wear something. I put on my shoes before leaving. Take off. Remove something. Take off your hat inside the house. Go out. Leave the house. I want to go out for dinner. Come back. Return to a place. I will come back home at 6 p.m. Turn on. To start a machine. Please turn on the lights. It's dark. Turn off. It's the opposite. To stop the machine. Always turn off the TV when you leave. Eat out. Eat at a restaurant. We like to eat out on Fridays. Look for. Try to find. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen it? I'll give you a quick practice. Tell me one thing you put on this morning and one thing you will turn off tonight. Say it out loud. Part 2. The communication group. These are the essential verbs for talking and listening to other people. Call back. Return a phone call. I'm busy now, but I'll call you back later. Speak up. The action itself tells the meaning. Talk louder. I cannot hear you. Speak up. Write down. Record information. Please write down my phone number. Look up. We told about this in the beginning. It means find information. I need to look up the word in the dictionary. Find out. Discover a fact. This is a very common phrasal verb. I need to find out what time the movie starts. Get along. Be friends with. I get well along with my new co-worker. Talk over. Discuss a topic. We need to talk over the new plan. Hang up. End a phone call. Don't hang up. I have one more thing to say. Look forward to. Feel happy about a future event. I look forward to our trip next week. Point out. Show or tell someone. She pointed out the mistake in my answer. Part 3. The work and study group. Use these when you're discussing school, work, or businesses. Keep up, to stay at the same speed. You need to study hard to keep up with the class. Hand in, give to a teacher or boss. Please hand in your essays tomorrow. Carry on, continue an action. Please carry on with your work. I think this is a very common phrase we usually hear at the office. Get ahead, be more successful. He works hard to get ahead in his career. Set up, prepare or organize. I need to set up my new computer. Give up, stop trying. Please don't give up learning English. Work out. The phrasal verb work out, have two meanings. One, exercise, and the other one, solve a problem. I work out 3 times a week. The math problem was hard, but I worked it out. Take up, start a hobby. I want to take up drawing next year. Catch up, get to the same level. I missed class, so I need to catch up the lessons. Put off, delay or postpone. You can use these very frequently in your office. Don't put off studying until the last minute. Part 4. Travel and movement group. Phrasal verbs are everywhere when you talk about moving. Take off. Plane leaves the ground. The airplane took off at 8 a.m. Get in. Enter a small vehicle. Hurry, get in the car. Get out. Leave a small vehicle. Get out of the car quickly. Get on. Enter a big vehicle like bus or train. I got on the bus late. So get in is for small vehicles and get on is for big vehicles. Get off. Leave a big vehicle. I get off the train at the next station. See the difference. The size of the vehicle actually decides if you have to use out or off or in or on. Look around, explore the place. Let's look around the city this afternoon. Run into, meet someone by chance. I ran into my old friend at the store. Drop off, take someone or something to a place. Can you drop off the package at the post office? Pick up, collect someone or something. I need to pick up my friend at the airport. Part 5. The general life group. You can use this almost everywhere. These final 10 are super common and can be used in almost any conversation. Grow up. Become an adult. Where did you grow up? Make up. Not this makeup. It means invent a story or excuse. I was late, so I made up an excuse. Come up with. Think of an idea. She came up with a great solution. Pass out. Faint or fall asleep suddenly. It was too hot and I almost passed out. Break down. It's a very common term, right? Stop working. We usually use it for machines. My car broke down on the highway. Cheer up. Feel happier. I was sad, but the music cheered me up. Fill out. Complete a form. Please fill out this application form. Run out of. It's not you just run out of the door. It means finish the supply of something. We ran out of milk this morning. It means no more milk is available. Hold on. Wait a short time. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Calm down. Become less angry or excited. Please calm down and tell me what happened. You did it. You just learned 50 common phrasal verbs that native speakers or fluent English speakers use every single day. This is your vocabulary superpower. Also, I have divided into 5 parts so that you can learn this easily. You can relate to that situation and learn each phrasal verb. Now for the fluency hack. If you want to remember this, if you want to start using these phrasal verbs, you need to know this. Phrasal verbs are not vocabulary. They are mini sentences. Do not try to memorize the list. Instead, create your own simple, funny sentences for the 5 verbs you want to learn this week. So don't try to learn it all together. Don't try to memorize it. Try to learn it in small chunks. Okay, 5 phrasal verbs 1 week. Also try to relate it to a situation. When you come across a situation where you can use a phrasal verb, start using it. The rule is, if you see the phrasal verb, you must be able to say your sentence instantly. This is the only way to stop translating and start speaking naturally and fluently in English. Okay, before winding up, I would like to tell you about the new Instagram page I started recently. The name of the page is English with Me, or you can scan this code and you can follow my Instagram page. And why did I create an Instagram page? So that I can send you PDFs or notes or any important worksheets related to English learning. On YouTube, I cannot send it to you directly. But on Instagram, if you message me or if you comment down on my particular reels where I asked you to do so, I can send you the link for the PDFs related to English learning directly. I recently created a 7-day English learning plan for beginners. If you want that PDF, please visit my Instagram page, follow, and you can message me directly. One more thing, comment down a sentence with 1 phrasal verb in it from the list. From the 50 phrasal verbs, choose 1 and comment a simple sentence. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.